All right, we're trying to figure out if z times p is negative. And of course, the only way that can happen is if one's positive and one is negative. So look at clue 1. Basically, the only thing it tells us is that p is less than 0, because no matter what z is, if you raise it to the 4th power, it's always going to be positive. So clue 1 tells me that p is less than 0, but we don't know what z is, because no matter what you plug in there, positive or negative, it's going to end up being positive. So clue 1 does not work by itself. Clue 2, it doesn't work either for the very same reason. No matter what you plug in here for z, positive or negative, it's always going to be a positive number. So sometimes, let's say if z is 2, that's going to be 16. That would force p to be negative 2. But once again, I could plug in negative 2 and still get a positive 16, so that doesn't work either. If you put them both together, that's not going to work either for the very same reasons.